Hello guys, for today's session we are going to study how to create a reusable password field in Flutter. So for today's session we don't need any plugin. This is the default widgets in Flutter applications. So this reusable password text field will help us to create a widget suitable for password, and that will allow us to toggle, show or hide password. Sometimes we need a text field with eye icon which will allow us to toggle the show password or hide password, and it will be usable where you need to use password field, whether you log in, whether you are going to update user password, to reset password, change password, etc. We are going to create an external widget that will be included everywhere. So by the beginning, let's create a file. We call it password form field. So here we'll declare a password form field, extend stateless widget, but later we convert it to stateful. It's just to help me to use editor very well. So we convert it to stateful because we'll be using state to toggle the state to make sure the password is visible or hidden. So here we'll render a text form field. So with this text form field, to make this password form field customizable, we'll be passing a decoration. So we'll get decoration from the parent. So here we'll have text, we'll have an input decoration which is nullable. We have it like this. Good. So then here we'll be calling this, and here we'll be declaring a field which will help us to toggle the password. We call it show password. By default will be equal to false, and we have the function to toggle, void toggle. Then we'll be setting show password again equal to not show password, to make sure we are toggling the visibility. So here for the decoration, we have to remember something. This decoration might be null. So if it's null, we will declare something like input decoration. Then we call copy with suffix icon. Here we'll put icon button. Then on placed we call toggle. Then with an icon we'll put icons dot I removed I. This will be the icon, and here will be toggled also. So if show password, if we are showing password, we put an icon for removed eyelash, hide remove the eyelash. So here we'll be having an icon for the slash I. I don't know how we call this icon. I'm trying to get it, but we'll use icon hidden. So we are going to try to get a proper icon for hiding this remove the eye. So let's first use this, and here let's call our password field and in the form on the page. Here you can see we have a page. We can pass the collection. So input collection, we pass int text, we pass we enter password, and you can add a normal text form field. We'll move constructor. Then here we also add a submit button. Here we have some padding. Here we can have the collection too. Int text, enter username. You can see let's try to enter the password here. Here you can see the password is visible, but here we do something we call obscure text that will pass show password. It means that the password is here will be true. No, the obscure text here will stay as false, but obscure text will go to not, because obscure text is hidden. It means that we use the reversed. So here we run it and see. We can see that the password is hidden. So let's try to type some content. Then if we want to show the password, we click this button, then we click this, we hide it. We click it to show it, click it to hide it. As you can see, this widget can be used. Another thing to remember, when you are using the validation, you'll be needing a validator function, so you should be passing it here to let's declare it, so anyone who need to validate or do some kind of validation will have it. So here we have another parameter called validator. So let's see, validate. Here we pass validator, so we get also this form field validator here, and this generic key will be replaced by string because we validate string and will be nullable. So then we add the final validator. Then with the validator we'll be adding widget.validator. You will be passing it as you pass others, it will be validated automatically. So I think this will help us when you want to use password field. You will be using table where it's usable and you can toggle it as you want. So thank you very much, and I hope you subscribe for the next content. Thank you so much.